I couldn't think of a more horrible job if I wanted to.
Alrighty, so I got my box here full of all the tools that I'm gonna need. I got a inch-pound and foot-pound torque wrench. I got me breaker bar, zip ties, oil, spray, all the Loctite I could need, all the 90-minute right stuff I could need. Crank pulley set. This is very much needed. Like 17 bucks at Harbor Freight. Super nice. Got your foot-pound torque wrench, your inch-pound torque wrench. And of course, this blue thing's oil. These zip ties are to hold up the wiring harnesses on each bank. Winter gloves. I actually use these at work, and they are super oil resistant. They're like $5-6 bucks at Walmart. And if you guys work in the cold, these are amazing gloves. Not gonna lie, like cheap, oil resistant. Me like it. I bought two because you never know. You'd rather have more than none. This stuff, I'm going to coat it on the valve covers. Any gasket surface is going to be covered with this crap. Make sure the gasket sticks to like the valve covers, the timing cover. I just want to make sure this bitch does not leak. Got new filter, 820S, because I'm not a moron. And then this was left over from building the mini bike engine. Yo, real quick, sorry to interrupt, but this stuff helped out more than you can imagine. Coating the chain and the guides in this stuff helped the chain actually become tacky and stay where it needs to be. As you can see later in the video, the chain does jump, and I have to pretty much figure out where the passenger side bank is and reset it. And I get everything back under control, but this stuff really helped to keep the chain where it's supposed to be and kept it from jumping. Of course, your band wrench. And then this just in case, because you can never have enough gasket maker. And then over here, of course, it's my toolbox. I should have pretty much everything to get the job done. And then this is my missile heater. I got 2 pounds of propane right there, green bottle, and then the blue bottle, which that's roughly 30-35 degrees outside. So this is gonna keep my feet warm. I got all the timing components from Melling. This is all from Rock Auto. So I even got the tensioners gaskets, but I do believe this is for the plastic tensioners. And as you can see, I have the much wanted cast iron tensioners. And I went with the cheaper Melling kit that does not come with the cam gears, because 9 times out of 10 I've seen on these modular engines the cam gears don't wear out very easy. And so this guide does come with a longer bolt. This side has been revised. I can't remember when it's been revised, but this washer or this spacer here is like right here, so it'll be a much shorter bolt when I pull it off. And then thank God it comes with a new bolt. So, of course, there's new timing chains in there. I was gonna order everything off of Ford, but Ford wants $500 at least for pretty much this and none of this. This, of course, is all I always order Velcro. Always. Why? This is a timing cover gasket and a timing cover seal. You know why I order from Felpro? Because it comes in flat packages. As you can see in my other video, valve cover gaskets came in a box. So they were all kind of screwed up, and it was all twisted around, and it made it very difficult to put on the valve cover install. This box right here is the actual valve cover gaskets, and then these are the grommets, which are actually stylized like the OEM grommets. They're meant to fit into the valve cover gasket. Probably one of the most important things is trying to rack my brain to find. This, I believe, is a torque to yield crank bolt. So anytime you're pulling the cover off, take that crank bolt and replace it. I don't care if the last guy said he replaced it with an ARP bolt. Fucking replace this bolt every time. It's like 14 bucks. It doesn't cost that much. A lot of people in the forums are like, oh, I reuse my bolts and it's fine. Well, you know what? $14 and an extra piece of mind is an extra piece of mind I'm willing to spend. And then this is probably the first time you guys are seeing this, but this is the service manual I've made since I've owned the car. Just basic stuff, prices on parts, replacement on parts, repairs, And then here's the actual guide that I made to follow. So this is all the tools I'm going to need, and then all the parts. I did not make a procedure sheet because it should be pretty self-explanatory. This is all the stuff that's going to help you with like all the little stuff, torque specs, what things are going to need to be, refer to certain videos. Here's the sequence for the timing cover, and then the torque spec is on this page here. This isn't drawn in phase, but it shows you that the timing mark on the chain is supposed to line up with here. Pretty self-explanatory. And then that's when I did the interior intake, some dumb notes and stuff. So this is what we're going to be focusing on today. And then as I go pretty much down the list, I'm going to mark off what's been done, what's been installed, and then completed or failed. And if it has been failed, I'm going to put on the back why. So hopefully there will be no failures today, no leakies. This is going to be annoying. Well, I know you guys want to see more of this, but I got to split everything into chunks. So this is pretty much just a preparation. Next video, I'm going to be doing more of the timing system. I didn't take a lot of video because I wanted to get it done as proficiently and as quickly as possible. So I just took a lot of pictures and I took some videos. I really appreciate you guys watching, even the little comments that I do get. It's still very nice. I just do this for fun because, might as well see the fun that I'm getting myself into. And hopefully I can give whoever's watching this a couple pointers or tips that they can use in the field next time they're doing whatever the hell they're doing. Please, I encourage you to comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video when I'm elbow deep into my timing system.